Good morning, students. Class 10. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, very important one. The name of the chapter is triangles. So by name triangles, you have studied in class 9 in detail the congruence of triangles. So I hope you are very much familiar with triangle and many of their properties from your earlier classes. So in class 9 you have studied congruence of triangles and recall the two figures. Suppose here we have two figures. Here the two figures having the same shape and same size. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR are having the same shape, but they are also having the same size. So these triangles are called congruent triangles. So we can say that two triangles are said to be congruent. Two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. So this is about what we have studied in congruence of triangles. That we have SSS congruency, SAS congruency, ASA congruency, RHS congruency, and we have also studied about AAS. So these are the congruence of triangles. Now in this chapter we are going to study about similar triangles. Similar triangles. So this we are going to study. Now as you see that if two figures, if they have circles having the same radius 1 centimeter and one more circle same radius 1 centimeter, so they are said to be congruent. But if we have one figure just like two triangles, we have two triangles same shape, but not necessarily the same size, that means if I have two triangles, let us draw. One is ABC, and another one is the of same shape, but I have extended the sides. Each side I have extended. Suppose this is PQR triangle. Now first the measurement of these two triangles is angle A and angle P are given equal. Angle B, measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle Q, and measure of angle C is equal to measure of angle R. That is angle A is angle P, angle A is angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is given equal to angle R. Also we have one more, that if AB is 3 centimeter and PQ is 9 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, you can say, and this is 8 centimeter AC, and we have this is 24 centimeter. Now there is some relationship between the sides also. If we take AB upon PQ, so AB upon PQ, corresponding sides, AB is corresponding to PQ. Here angle A was corresponding to angle P because their measure is equal. B is corresponding to Q and angle C is corresponding to angle R. Similarly, there is a relation between the sides also. AB, the corresponding side PQ, we have 3 upon 9, that is 1 upon 3. Again BC and QR, BC upon QR, we have 5 upon 15, so we get 1 upon 3. And then we have AC upon PR, so we get 8 upon 24, again we get 1 upon 3. That means we have AB, the ratio of the sides the ratio of the corresponding sides is also equal. The ratio of the corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles are also equal. So in these two cases we can say that two triangles are said to be similar. So what about the similar triangles? So in similar triangles, so बच्चों similar triangles में क्या देखा आपने कि दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर तभी हो सकते हैं अगर उनका शेप बट से साइज होगा ही, बट साइज मैटर नहीं करता. साइज छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, साइज मैटर नहीं करता. नॉट नेसेसरी इट इज टू बी ऑफ साइज. सो टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सेड टू बी सिमिलर इफ दे हैव नंबर वन corresponding angles are equal and number two their sides, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लिख सकते हैं two triangles are similar. Two triangles are similar if number first their corresponding angles, angle A equal to angle P. मान लीजिए अगर एंगल ए आपका 30 डिग्री है तो P भी 30 डिग्री है. ठीक है, अगर ये 70 डिग्री है तो ये भी 70 होगा और अगर ये 80 डिग्री है तो ये 80 होगा. So these are corresponding, that is corresponding angles are equal. And number two, their corresponding sides, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So ये दो चीजें होनी चाहिए. दो सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स तभी हो सकते हैं, दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर. डजंट मैटर द साइज, शेप सेम होनी चाहिए. अगर सेम भी शेप है, साइज भी सेम है, सो देन वी कैन से दैट दे आर कॉन्ग्रेंट. तो इससे क्या हुआ कि दो ट्राइंगल अगर कॉन्ग्रेंट है तो वो सिमिलर हो सकते हैं. दो ट्राइंगल अगर कॉन्ग्रेंट है तो ये सिमिलर हो सकते हैं. बट अगर दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है, सिमिलर फिगर्स है, दे नीड नॉट टू बी कॉन्ग्रेंट. ये चीज याद रखें. दो ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रेंट अगर होंगे तो वो सिमिलर हो सकते हैं, बट अगर वो सिमिलर है तो दे नीड नॉट टू बी कॉन्ग्रेंट. सो अब बच्चों याद रखना, दो ट्राइंगल तभी सिमिलर होंगे अगर उनके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे और उनका कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल होगा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट अबाउट सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स.